This sample kit is completely free. All you need to do is to watch the video to the very end to know the password to unzip this file. Let's walk through this sample case right after the intro. Yo, the name is Godsa once again, and still the solution camera providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio now. Let's check some of the tones from this kit. The cymbal, the hi-hat. The tones are well tuned, okay? You can use this to make any genre. Check the kick, open hat, that's the tom. This is the bass drop. Check some of the claps, the snare, okay, this is the heavy reverb clap. Let's use this to create a simple drum pattern. I'm going to change the tempo to 140. Highlight all these, delete. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So I'm going to take the kick, take this snare. Alright. That's crazy, right? Let's go for hi-hats. So you can use this to make any genre. I'll choose this, fill it 2 steps. We're gonna reduce the volume. Let's use this. It's super simple. You can also use this to make your Afrobeat, create another pattern. Let's go for some of the claps. Okay, let's delete this. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Watch the video to the very end to know the password to unzip this. Change the tempo to 100. Go for kick. Alright, so let's go for this reverb clap. That's crazy, that's crazy. Go for the shaker. So if you have watched the video to this end, just click on the link in the description box and download this sample case. When you are asked to dial in the password that pop up on the screen. Okay, it's super simple. Now that you've gotten the sample kit for free, watch the next video to download free shaker loops. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.